everybody. We are back with our travels and comida recipes. This time it's not a short. I will not have to rush. I will not have to put everything under a minute. I'm gonna make sure that we got this right. So the recipe for today is the Brazilian beans, right? The typical Brazilian beans, almost like a salad. But I will go ahead and show the ingredients right now. This is, how can I say? This is very special for me because I Brazil is trending right now, and I'm super happy about it because people want to get the recipes, people want to get the clothing, people want to get the party side of it, people want to see all the aspects of Brazil. And then I'm going to show a recipe that is very fond of me that I really like to eat every time I get there. So I'm going to show the ingredients right now real quick. So we have, this is collard greens, right, that we put it in. And then we have the main ingredient, which is the beans. But if you are running a little bit late for your party or for your guests to arrive, you can always use the cans. I don't use the cans. I don't, just again, just in an emergency. So today I will use the beans. And we also have some chorizo that you get at Latin stores. And then we get some bacon over here. So, and then we have some eggs, and we have onion and garlic. Oh, and the main ingredient, before I forget, it's called, I have a little bit, just a little bit, farinha, which is cassava flour. I don't know if you can see. That you can buy it at Amazon or at the Latin stores. They probably have it. The Brazilian stores, they might have it. But cassava flour, you can get it at Amazon. So for cooking the beans, I'm gonna be using, it's a little bit heavy. I'm gonna be using this crock pot, right? Because millennials have a problem with pressure cook, and I do too. So I'm gonna start prepping it. We have to wash the beans and leave it on for a little bit. And I'm gonna start prepping my stuff over here. For the collard greens, we just go and we do some of this. So you make it like this, right? Like long. Then you put it aside. So if you are a vegan, I believe you can put tofu on it. I believe it's gonna be really good too. Or some alternative, maybe some fried chickpeas. I would like to try that. So there is alternatives to make this vegan. So it's always, don't need to use the bacon. You can skip it. Do as you wish. By the way, I wash the knife and I wash the cutting board for cross-contamination. So we can always be washing and always be cleaning this stuff. Then we have the two sausages. So I'm gonna get some eggs. Again, if you are vegan, you know the alternatives to it. I'm not quite sure if you don't need to. You don't need to put eggs either. But my mom always taught me to never put all the eggs at once and check one by one, just in case one of them comes spiked. So I have the eggs. Now I'm just gonna beat it up. I have this tiny little thing over here. I'm gonna go make into this. I know. So this is the amount of the beans. And then there is a line over here. More. Then we have some salt and some pepper to it, a little bit of the garlic, and a little bit of the onion. Okay, a little bit. And this part always stressed me out because it's like, is it gonna explode on me? I hope not. It's gonna take about 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. And this is the part that terrorized me the most, the pressure. We're getting ready. With all the ingredients pre-cooked, like the bacon, the linguiça, the collard greens, and the beans, you can just mix it up with a little bit of olive oil in the pan and just mix it up. So with the eggs, you just make like a scrambled eggs before you mix all the ingredients. So it just takes a few minutes. All right, cool. So the beans are ready. We were enjoying it a little bit before. It's really good. My favorite part is the sausage over here. And so good. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Celebrate with Guaraná. It's also from Brazil. I miss home so much. Let's see. It says the Brazilian original over here. And I'll go find Josh now. All right. The food is ready. Here. There you go. Try it out. You know, because it's cold.
If it was warm, it'd be better, but it's good.
It's really good. I like it. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.